And spokesman of the Lagos Police Command, Benjamin Hundeyin, joins me now for more on this development. Good to have you join us.
Good evening. Thank you for having me.
Can you give us just a background as to what happened today? There have been different reports ongoing, but just to get from you what exactly played out today.
Well, it's exactly as you said. Some people claiming to be Yoruba Nation Agitators disrupted a flow of traffic and commercial activities in Ojota. The police had to step in to ensure that there is no breakdown of law and order. They resisted, they fired at the police, and we had to disperse them with tear gas. And normalcy was restored to the area.
So I want to understand, because again, this is what everyone is wondering as to whether it was a protest or whether it was a rally, and what the police is supposed to do in that situation. Are you supposed to disperse the crowd, or are you supposed to provide security for those who are protesting?
Well, ordinarily, if it was a procession that wasn't disrupting flow of traffic, then of course we would be there to provide security for them. But these were clearly people armed with pump-action rifles, and even before the police got there, they were already shooting in the air and they were already scaring people. So we received numerous calls from people saying some people were shooting sporadically. So definitely, those are not the kind of people you want to provide security for. These are the kind of people you need to disperse and get arrested.
We understand that one person was killed. Some reporters saying 2 persons. We wanted to help us clarify that. And then if he was killed in the process of the gun duel between the police and you said that they also fired shots at the police as well.
Yes, 1 person died. We deal with facts, we deal with evidence. That's what we can prove. 1 person died, but we used tear gas to disperse them while they were shooting directly at the police.
So you're saying that because the report is that he was fired at, he died because, or as a result of the shooting from the police. I want to get that clarity from you. Are you saying that the police did not shoot at all?
We did not use live bullets for this. We used tear gas to disperse them.
All right, so also talk to us about, we understand that some of your men were injured in the process and then vehicles burnt. Talk to us about the extent of damage in that area.
Yes, two vehicles were destroyed. These were not police vehicles. These were just people who were caught in all of this. 1 police and that were hit by this pellets from the cartridges fired from the pump action rifles, and they were rushed to Lagos State University Teaching Hospital Alausa, the surgical emergency, where they are responding to treatment.
All right. I'm sure that the police will answer questions in the coming days, especially around the cause of the death, because you have said it's not from the police. But can you also tell us about can you tell us the identity of that person and what the police is doing to ensure, because we understand that there are now threats, what the police is doing to ensure that that there is no security breakdown in the state?
Well, 4 of the miscreants were arrested and they've been transferred to the headquarters for investigation. And we have placed our officers and patrol teams on standby to ensure that there is no further breakdown of law and order. And in addition to that, the Commissioner of Police, Lagos State Command, CP Abiodun Alabi, has warned clearly, unequivocally, that any further attempts by any person or group of persons to disrupt the peace in Lagos or to attack security operatives or residents and Lagosians in general will be fiercely resisted, and such people will be decisively dealt with in accordance with the provisions of the law.
I asked about the identity of the person who died. Do you have the name of the person?
We don't have that yet, but investigation has commenced.
All right, thank you so much for talking to us. We expect to hear from you as investigation continues. Spokesman of the Lagos Police Command, Benjamin Hundeyin.
Thank you.